When it comes to money, young people face a unique set of challenges. Many are just starting out in their careers, while others are still in school or trying to balance work and family responsibilities. But despite these challenges, there's one mistake that young people make when it comes to money that can have serious consequences. But too often, young people prioritize instant gratification over long-term financial security. They spend money on things they don't need, like expensive clothes, gadgets, and vacations, instead of saving for the future. Let's take a closer look. Number 7. Excessive and uncontrolled spending. In today's world, the ease and convenience of purchasing almost anything with just a tap or click have made excessive and uncontrolled spending a common issue. According to research, social media and friends can significantly affect our spending habits, leading to impulsive purchases of unnecessary items. It's essential to evaluate the recurring expenses that you incur month after month, such as subscription services, food delivery apps, music streaming platforms, etc. While they might seem appealing initially, it's crucial to assess if they're necessary in the long run, as they can accumulate significant costs over time. Every dollar counts, and it's essential to be mindful of your spending habits. Creating a budget and adhering to it is a viable solution to curb overspending. There are various resources available, such as printable worksheets, websites, apps, and other online tools that can assist you in the process. It's crucial to evaluate your income and deduct essential expenses like rent, utilities, transportation, and groceries, and limit discretionary spending, such as unnecessary purchases. Maintaining a track of your expenses and holding yourself accountable is also crucial once you have a budget in place. Number 6. Not having an emergency fund. Young adults are often unaware of the need for an emergency fund and don't consider saving for one. You need to realize how quickly things can spin out of control. At any time, the unexpected could happen, such as a broken laptop, car troubles, and unforeseen medical expenses. While preparing your budget, it's advisable to allocate some funds for an emergency fund, even if it's just a small amount every month. Such a fund can help you tackle unexpected expenses that may arise in the future. Number 5. Letting credit card debt pile up. Credit cards come with significant responsibility, and their proper usage can help build a credit report and secure future loans. However, their misuse can harm your credit score, result in hefty interest payments, and create obstacles in obtaining future credit. One of the most significant financial mistakes that young adults make with credit cards is allowing the debt to accumulate. Unmanaged credit card debt can delay the achievement of other financial goals. Failing to pay off the balance in full at the end of the month is a crucial indicator that you're accumulating an excessive amount of debt. It's crucial to avoid perceiving credit as a problem to tackle later, and instead use it only to purchase what you can afford and live within your means. Creating a budget and planning your finances can aid you in making responsible choices, allowing you to establish good credit. Number 4. Not building any credit. Equally, many young adults postpone establishing credit for an extended period, which can have damaging consequences. A lack of credit history can hinder future borrowing opportunities, making it challenging to qualify for personal loans or rent an apartment despite having a stable income. It's crucial to understand the responsible use of credit rather than avoiding it altogether, as credit can play a significant role in financial growth. One way to start is by applying for a credit builder credit card or an introductory card and using it for essentials like groceries or fuel. Paying every bill on time is necessary to establish a positive credit score and develop the habit of paying off your credit card each month. Number 3. Not investing. Young individuals often have the benefit of time and can take risks, with investing being one of them. Unfortunately, one of the most common financial blunders made by young people is failing to invest their money at all. This belief stems from the notion that investing is not a concern until later in life. Furthermore, as young adults have fewer expenses, they may not see the importance of saving and investing, preferring to spend their money elsewhere. Nonetheless, young people have a significant advantage in saving and investing early because it allows their money to grow over time. There are various investment options available, with one of the most prevalent ways being employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401k. However, individuals can also begin investing before securing their first full-time job by opening a Roth IRA, brokerage account, or other investment account. It's crucial to remember that it's better to start early with a small amount than to not begin investing until later in life. Number 2. Not saving for retirement. Delaying retirement savings is a common mistake made by young adults who perceive it as a distant financial goal. However, it's advisable not to wait, as early investments can have a significant impact in the long run. Starting early allows for greater growth and compounding of your savings, making it easier to meet your retirement goals. Taking baby steps by saving a small amount each month is a great way for young adults to start saving for retirement. It is important to increase retirement savings as income increases over time. Opening a Roth IRA, which is an individual retirement account, is a good way for young people to begin their retirement savings journey. Number 1. Rushing to buy a new car. Purchasing a new car is a major financial decision that requires careful consideration. Despite the excitement that comes with it, many young adults make the mistake of hastily committing to new car payments or buying a car beyond their means, leading to potential financial harm in the future. A common recommendation is to keep the combined value of your vehicles below 50% of your annual income. For first-time car buyers, it's important to be cautious of extended financing terms, low monthly payments, or zero down payment offers. These deals may seem appealing at first, but they can be misleading and result in higher expenses over time. Remember, investing in your future is one of the most important things you can do for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.